Friends, welcome back. Once again, before starting my video, I always give my hero introduction. I am Shailesh Fulsung, father of a superboy, a hotel since 1988, Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. We are discussing on the menu part of it. Now we have reached a topic which is effects of menu on your pre-opening decisions. It's really very vital. I'm touching the base points. I'm getting into the nitty-gritty of designing a menu. It's not, I keep on telling menu bana de. Menu bana de, it is not that easy. It is a complete engineering. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, share it with the industry colleagues. This will definitely, share the knowledge with the people. It is required. Don't keep it to yourself. Let us learn together. So let us get back to the subject. Now the effects of designing a menu, which will actually affect your pre-opening decisions. Now what are the factors? The first factor is the location. Your menu can decide your location, or your location can decide your menu. Either of these. Let me repeat. Your menu can decide your location or vice versa. For example, for instance, a specialty restaurant, if you put it on a busy highway, will it work? No. There are high chances that it will not work. However, on the other side, where will it work? It will work in the higher economic section of the society, where there is a nice upmarket residential area. There you can get into a Spanish or Greek or a Chinese specialty restaurant, or a upmarket Mughlai or an Indian restaurant. It will work because there is a market which is there to buy your product. Now, when it comes to the pre-opening damages or pre-opening decisions, why location plays the major role? Because your location is the first and foremost aspect of your business. Footfalls in whatever form will give you business. You cannot run a restaurant in an isolated area. Point number 2, building your area where you are going to run your operations. Friends, when you are designing your menu, or when you are getting to a restaurant business, area plays a major role because it affects your fixed outgoings. Whether your business is running or not, your outgoings are there, especially in the rental format. So it will depend on the menu, how you are going to design it. If your menu is shorter, the space required is shorter. If you are doing a takeaway format, the space is much shorter. If you want to do a restaurant with the seating capacity, it has its own dynamics. You require a larger area, the design, the architecture, the finishes, the layout, so on and so forth. So, for example, when we talk about the cafeteria or a fine dining, now cafeteria is large, but the design is not very capital intensive. But if you get into a specialty restaurant, the larger the area, the furniture, the fixtures, the lighting, the interiors, so many aspects come into the picture. At the end, it is all about putting in your capital. Third point, the equipments. Obviously, what actually you're going to serve, will be required in your back area. For example, if you want to serve a grilled sandwich, you will require a griller, right? On your menu, you have fresh juices or you have citrus juices. You will require that particular juicer to juice out the fruits. So equipments will be depending on the menu. It's not designing the menu first, it's not getting the equipment first and then designing the menu. It is vice versa. It is designing the menu first and getting the equipment at a later stage. Now, your menu, if it is limited, you require lesser items. If your menu is vast, we say Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you have so many equipments. At times, many of the items are made not available and the equipment is lying in one corner. So your capital is blocked. Point number 4, service. Your menu will decide your service. Simple. If your menu is right, what exactly your menu is all about, this will define your service. If you have the very upmarket menu, so the packaging in terms of takeaways, the service aspects in terms of table service will be completely different. It will also have effect on your manpower. You should have more manpower in the menu. So all we are talking about is the menu. When we are designing, is basically for the customers, and it is with your business line, the customers which you are going to, which will be patronizing your outlet or your restaurant. Now, when it comes to the menu, the purchasing methods will also play their major roles. Menu impacts directly on your purchases. Now, if you have a particular item, say for example, you are doing a typical fine dine restaurant, and in your menu you have put a steak. Now, when it comes to serving a steak, it requires what? It requires various. Steak is there, portion of meat, but yes, with it you also require the various garnishes, all the English vegetables, accompaniments. So all these things should also be available, whether you're going to serve hot or cold, the preparation at the back end, whether your refrigeration part is right, whether your salamanders are in place. There are so many aspects. It also affects your storage, your main storage, main stores, and your kitchen stores. Last but not the least, we the F&B people keep on talking about the food cost. Your menu affects the food cost also. Your decision on designing a menu affects the food cost. So food cost directly affects your, the menu directly affects your food cost. It will decide, you have to decide on your selling price. How are you going to put it in the market? Selling price, your purchases, your production cost, your food cost, all these factors determine your business. Last but not the least, the portioning. What is the kind of portion you need to put it on the table for the end customer? That also plays a major role. With this, I am summing up. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, say like, share it with the industry colleagues. Spread the knowledge. Knowledge is supposed to be shared. Don't keep it to yourself. Press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. Lots and lots of videos are on the way. Don't miss them, guys. I'll be right back with you. Take care. Bye.